Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Welcome to the second video where I'll show you how to play C major scale with your left hand. Like with the right hand, you have to have a starting position. First, find the C. It's in the middle of the second row and it has a dimple on it. That's your only orientation because you won't be able to see your bass. On that C, you put your fourth finger. Next note is D, and it's two buttons above C. Play it with your second finger. Now we move into the first row, also called the contrabass row, and put the fourth finger on E, right next to the C. F is played with the fifth finger just below C, and G with the third finger, one above C. A is the hardest one to reach, so you'll have to practice it the most. It's played with the fifth finger in the contrabass row next to the F. B is also in the contrabass row next to the G, played with the third finger. Now I'm going to play full scale slowly. Because you have to learn a lot of new keys and learn to orientate without looking, the best thing to do is to divide scale into small groups of notes and then Gradually put the pieces together. You start to practice first with small combinations. C, D, D, E, E, F, all the way to the end. Then you practice in groups of 3 notes and 4 notes. After all of these exercises, playing full scale won't be that hard. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.